Hi, my name is Anthony with Karl Chevrolet Stuart Collision Department. A new feature that we have available for you is now the mobile estimating. Basically what you would do is you'd take pictures of your vehicle's damage, send them or email them to us, and we could do an estimate right there without you stepping foot into the building. This is where the damage is going to be here. We got some scuffing on the hood. Also, we got a dent in the quarter panel. So one place that I would like to start is getting a picture of the area of repair. So with it being on this right front corner, kind of get that right front of the vehicle in there. There's going to be a VIN tag. If I could get a picture, or if you could send me a picture of that VIN tag there. Another place where the VIN tag would be is actually up here in the windshield. There's a 17-digit VIN number there. Another thing, what I'd like to see is at an angle with the light shedding off, you can kind of see how deep the dent is and the waves in the paint. So if we could actually get a couple pictures like that as well. Once we get the photos and information from you, we will make sure to get that estimate going as soon as we can and get it sent back to you in a promptly manner.